funny fact about this pencil, I couldn't find it for months. And then something was telling me, you know what, let's check in my boyfriend's craft space. And guess what I found? I don't know what he wanted to do with that. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha, and in today's video I'm gonna do my makeup with you, and I'm gonna be using new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the soft Glam one, which I'm pretty sure all of you have heard of because it's pretty much amazing. When I first saw it, I knew I had to have it. And actually, I don't really want to talk about a lot about this palette and how much I like it and if I really like it, what I don't like about it. And it's because I have a blog post where you can read all about it. I'm gonna link the blog post down below so you can check it out. This is the palette, just in case you haven't seen it. It's a beautiful warm neutral palette, which is perfect for every day and also for like a beautiful date nights or wild nights out with your friends, because it has everything you could ever need. So that's what I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna show you everything I'm doing every single day since I got this palette on my eyes, and I'm also gonna do my face, although I don't really do much with my face, but you'll see. So I'm not gonna blab anymore, and let's go to my get ready with me. So first things first, of course, I have all my skincare done. As you can see, I have a little bit of a breakout. I think it's because I got sunburned a few days ago and it kind of make my skin freak out. Go figure, right? And now I'm gonna use a glow base. I don't do this every single day, to be honest, but most days yes, especially when I feel like my skin needs a little bit of oomph. I'm not gonna be using foundation. I like to let my skin breathe, so this is gonna be no foundation. Get ready with me. So I'm gonna use a few drops. Usually my glow base changes every single day. I don't have any special favorite or anything like that. This should bring a little bit of life into my face. Next step is gonna be concealer, because like I said, I am not gonna be using foundation, so everything that needs to be covered is gonna be covered by concealer, and it's gonna be covered by my very trusty Tarte Shape Tip Concealer. And I'm gonna buff it into the skin with this sponge from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna apply the concealer underneath my eyes and anywhere where I see redness or spots. And now we're just gonna buff it in. I like to go over my lids as well with the concealer, just to prime it. And like this, I don't have to use an eye primer. So, and this is my concealer done. Now I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna do my brows. I'm not gonna set the concealer straight away. I like to let it sit on the skin first and then set it. I don't know, I just like to do it for some reason. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I feel like it does, so I just let it sit on my skin for a little bit while I do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna set my concealer. By the way, I wanted to apologize that I didn't upload the videos last 2 weeks, I think. Again, although I said I'm back and I'm gonna try to be more consistent, but something happened and it just didn't feel right and appropriate for me to the video at the time. So first of all, I was not in the mood to film anything, and second of all, it just wasn't right. It wasn't appropriate. It wasn't appropriate at all for me to upload a video like nothing happened. I apologize for that, but hopefully I'm back and I am really gonna be consistent. I'm really trying, but if you've never done any video for YouTube, it takes a lot of time. Before I started to do videos, I never thought how much time it will take. Although my videos are not very complicated, I like it to be more like vloggy and chatty than like very much professional, because that's what I like, that's what I like to watch, so that's what I'm doing. So but anyway, it takes a lot of time to make it. Maybe it just takes me a lot of time to make it. Anyway, let's move on. So now after I have my brows, I'm gonna set my concealer, and I'm setting it with my Laura Mercier, and I'm just with a very little powder. I do not like a lot of powder on my face. It just doesn't feel comfortable, and I don't think it's needed. Whatever's left on the brush, I just move all around my face, but it's really like almost nothing. I'm just doing it to set all the concealer and also prep my skin for the other powder products I'm gonna use as a bronzer and my blush. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to my skin later, and now I'm gonna go to my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of orange soda and put it in my crease. Just so you know, this is not gonna be a complicated makeup look, not at all. I just like to be quick and efficient. Like I said, it's my everyday makeup, so I'm trying to do this very fast so I can be out of the door. My next step is gonna take my probably the most favorite shadow in this palette, although they're like, I love all of them, but I'm gonna take the rose pink, which is like a beautiful, like a rose gold color, shimmery, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush, and I'm dipping into the rustic, and I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit, because this is a daytime look, so I just want just a little bit of definition in the crease. And the last step is you're gonna take sienna and you're just gonna press it on the outer V of your eye. And now I'm gonna tightline my eyes with this Smashbox pencil. I used to be a big eyeliner person, but since I discovered tightlining, it's just much easier. It looks very natural, so perfect for every day. So now I'm gonna take my favorite mascara. I don't apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm just gonna take a little bit of sienna and put it down here, but just a little bit on the outer V. Whew. Ow. So, and that's eyes down. Now we're gonna move on to a bronzer, and I'm gonna use my I'm always using this, my Tarte Park Avenue Princess. So I'm just applying it on my cheekbones, and you can see that I am very much focusing here, just because I like it to be natural and I really like to blend it. That's why I'm always starting in the back, and I'm just a little bit bringing it down my face, but again I'm focusing here, and I'm just blend, 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 blend. Always blend. I'm gonna put some on my forehead, just a little bit on my nose, chin. You probably can't see anything. And we have a little bit of color back on my face, but to finish it, we need to use a blush. And I'm just using my usual combination. And the last step for my face is a highlighter. And what I like to use for my everyday highlighter when I don't want to be too shimmery, I just want a nice glow from within, is my YSL Touche Éclat Lumiere Divine, which you can use all over the face. I did that before. It looks beautiful. Just have a light hit with it. But if you wanna just a little bit of highlight, you can use it on the top of your cheekbones, and it's gonna give you like this beautiful glow. Do you see it? Do you see it? I hope you can see it, because I can see it. And it really is not the glittery or anything. It's just a beautiful glow. A little bit on my nose, over here. And the very last step is a lipstick. To be honest, I don't have a lipstick that I would wear every single day. I usually change it around. Most of my lipsticks are like the same color range, so everything goes with this eye look. And I am using today my YSL Rouge Volupte Shine, and I did over color, but I figured it out because it's worn out already. I love this lipstick, it's just so moisturizing. So, and this is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup look. This is what I'm doing basically every single day when I go to work, when I go out and about in the city or whatever. It's just very easy, very quick. I swear to you, it takes me 10 minutes to get ready and just go. So this would be it for today's video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you feel like it, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.